All right, let's settle a question almost everyone asks when they start getting into AI. Should you become an AI engineer or a machine learning engineer? Most people try learning both at the same time and end up stuck, overwhelmed, and wasting months. So, today I'll break down the real differences, what each job actually does, the skills you need, what the market looks like, and how to choose the right path for you. Let's get to it. AI engineers don't train big models from scratch, as we are talking about the AI engineers, what they actually do first. So they don't train big models from scratch. They use existing models and integrate them into real applications. Think like this. You take a foundation model, it can be any model. For example, you take ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, or any other model you want. You wrap it inside a product, you connect it to the right data, and you make sure it responds safely, and you ship features that people actually use. Now imagine you a company wants a smart internal search tool. An AI engineer, what he would do is he would store company documents inside a vector database, embed them, use retrieval RAG connected to an LLM, and build the UI and backend around it. Now, the what will happen by all this? The employees can search confidential info instantly, and you are basically a software engineer with AI superpowers. And why actually AI engineering is exploding? The language models are universal. Almost every industry can benefit from them. And companies don't want to build models from scratch. They want tools and products now. You don't need PhD level math. You need functional understanding, not theoretical one. Now let's shift to what the machine learning engineers actually do, which is the opposite side of AI engineers. The ML engineers, they are closer to the data scientists, but with production engineering skills. ML engineers, what they do is they train models from scratch, build training pipelines, design features, prepare validation and test sets. They tune the hyperparameters. They fight with class balance, debug weird training issues, and worry about overfitting by script. Their job starts with data, not with product UI. They ask they The question they ask themselves is, how do I get the model accuracy higher? And they do not ask, how do I integrate this product into production? So on an average day, if we talk about the AI engineers, what they will do is they will pick a pre-trained model, they build a customer service chatbot connected to company knowledge, adds guardrails, they optimize latency and cost, and ship the feature. And what an ML engineer on an average day might do, they takes a data set, they clean it, split it, engineers meaningful features, trains many models, tunes hyperparameters, and deploys a custom model. Let's now discuss the skill differences of AI engineers and the ML engineers. The skill set of the AI engineer is that they have the skills of Python and software engineering. They can do prompting, RAG, embedding of and vector databases, agent frameworks, evaluation of outputs, guardrails and safety, and deploying real apps. Meanwhile, what the skills of an ML engineer are? Their skills is calculus, linear algebra, probability, training deep learning models, feature engineering, model evaluation and tuning, understanding algorithms deeply, building training pipelines, handling massive data sets, and experimentation frameworks. So, what we can conclude from these skill sets is that ML engineering is much more academic, while AI engineering is much more practical and product focused. So, by all this, what you can conclude which path is easier to break into, it will be engineering, obviously. And why is that? It is because it builds on software engineering, which thousands of people have self-taught successfully. But about ML engineering, you are competing with people who are holding PhDs in stats, computer science, and machine learning. Now the choice relies totally on you. You can ask yourself the questions if you want, like if you you can ask yourself, do I enjoying building do I enjoy building apps faster? Then you will want to be an AI engineer. If you want to focus on user experience, uh, prefer product impact, and prefer data plus uh, and prefer product plus impact, then AI engineering is the right choice for you. But if you love math and algorithms, tune models for accuracy, and prefer data plus training, then the right career choice for you is ML engineering. Both are great, just they are very, very different. And AI engineering is not replacing software developers, it's evolving the job. Even if AI gets insanely powerful, we'll always need humans who can integrate models properly, configure them, control them, and connect them to real systems. So, whichever path you choose, you are entering a growing industry.